Have you ever had the taste of Africa? I'm not just talking about food. I'm talking about a people, a language, and a culture so vibrant that it dances to the rhythm and the beats of the earth itself. Welcome to Learn Igbo with Naza. Ndewono. Ụtụtụ ọma, ehihie ọma, abalị ọma, whatever the time says at your end. Hello. Kedu ka ị mere? Kedu ka eke si anya n'anwụ? Alright guys, this is me officially welcoming you to your new favorite place. A place where you explore the beauty, the richness, and the rhythm of the amazing people of Igbo. So whether you're trying to speak your first Igbo word or you are curious about this amazing ethnic group from the eastern part of Nigeria, yes, I keep saying amazing because we are amazing. This is your home, like this is your channel, because in this channel we are taking you on a journey. Let's talk about food because who doesn't love a good Igbo meal? The Okpa from Enugu State, the king of snacks. The Abacha and Okpa from Enugu and Anambra State. The Ofako, the palm fruit soup, also known as Banga soup from Anambra State. The Ofensala white soup, Ukwa from Imo State. And come on, the Isiebu which cuts across all Igbo states. Like literally, every Igbo state have their unique taste. So to us, learning Igbo isn't just about speaking the language. It's about unlocking a legacy of resilience, of laughter, of wisdom, and of love. And here on Learn Igbo with Naza, we take you on this journey every single week. So whether an Igbo by blood or by curiosity, subscribe, like, share, join us on this journey as we unlock the amazing legacy of the Igbo people. All right, guys, I'm gonna bye.